Welcome to our latest deep dive into DJI's new FPV headset, the DJI Goggles N3. If you're a drone enthusiast or someone just venturing into FPV, the Goggles N3 offers some exciting options and competitive pricing that could make them a must-have for your setup. With a solid design, standalone purchase flexibility, and hints at affordability, these goggles might just change how both new and experienced users approach FPV. For those familiar with DJI products, you'll know that bundles have often been the standard. DJI's Goggles N3, however, can be bought separately, giving you the flexibility to pick and choose the accessories you need, instead of being tied to a full combo kit. This move from DJI opens up opportunities for buyers to customize their gear, whether they need just the goggles or want the full package with the Neo Motion combo. It's great news for users who prefer flexibility over a predetermined bundle, potentially catering to a more budget-conscious market, according to renowned FPV insider Jasper Ellens. The DJI Goggles N3 will likely have a competitive price point. The pricing for the full Neo Motion combo is projected to be around $529, including 2 batteries. What's even more exciting is the rumored standalone price of under $250. If accurate, this lower price makes the Goggles N3 an affordable option for a wide range of users, from those just getting started with FPV to advanced users wanting an upgrade without a hefty price tag. A sub-$250 price point could attract more users, helping DJI expand its FPV ecosystem by making entry-level experiences more affordable. The DJI Goggles N3 uphold DJI's hallmark design philosophy, combining aesthetics with functionality. Featuring a sleek black and gray color scheme, they blend into DJI's lineup while standing out with fresh design tweaks. These goggles come equipped with dual antennas for better signal reception, helping to maintain a reliable FPV feed, even in complex environments. Additionally, the padding and built-in ventilation system make these goggles comfortable for extended use. Perfect for marathon FPV flights, where comfort is key, the DJI Goggles N3 aim to enhance the immersive FPV experience by offering clarity and comfort. For those familiar with DJI's previous goggles, the N3 refines the best parts of its predecessors, offering smoother performance, better ventilation, and extended comfort. The integration of high-quality image transmission technology helps reduce latency, making real-time piloting more accurate. This, combined with an intuitive design, positions the Goggles N3 as both functional and user-friendly. DJI has kept a broad user base in mind with the Goggles N3. While they're priced to be more accessible, they don't compromise on the quality that seasoned users expect. Whether you're a newcomer exploring FPV or an experienced drone pilot seeking an upgrade, these goggles deliver on quality and performance, making FPV flying accessible and enjoyable for all levels. This allows users extended playtime without needing constant recharges, a valuable feature for serious FPV enthusiasts. Having these extra batteries can extend flight sessions and reduce interruptions, allowing for a more seamless FPV experience. For those already familiar with DJI's product lineup, the DJI Goggles N3 uphold the brand's commitment to quality. DJI has built a reputation for reliable, innovative technology, and the Goggles N3 continue that legacy by offering the latest advancements in image clarity and comfort. Whether it's for short flights or extended sessions, DJI's attention to user needs shows through in the Goggles N3 design. The standalone option allows buyers to add DJI quality to their existing setups without overspending on unnecessary accessories. For those comparing options, the Goggles N3 offer DJI's expertise in FPV with competitive pricing, making them an attractive choice when evaluating alternatives. The DJI Goggles N3 are shaping up to be a compelling addition to the FPV market. With the flexibility of a standalone purchase, competitive pricing, and DJI's commitment to quality, these goggles are set to attract a diverse range of users. Whether you're a newcomer or a seasoned pilot, the Goggles N3 offer a powerful and accessible way to enhance your FPV experience. For more updates on DJI products, FPV tips, and reviews, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for further insights and news on the Goggles N3 and beyond. Thanks for watching.